Hi, Brandog Anoop back here. So this has been overnight and we have dried the shirt. As you can see, it's still crushed and we expected it to be crushed. But the whole idea around this is that it's actually quite flat. So you can see even me just putting my hand over it, it's starting to see that the crushes are going out. Now, this is where this becomes really important. Now, I'm going to take an iron and go straight over it and have a look at how easy that iron. Now, the reason for that is because it had a chance to fall out. So the fabric actually fell out. And look at that. That didn't even take me more than 10 seconds. And look how crisp and clean that is. So think about that when you're actually ironing and washing a shirt. Hang it up, okay? Hang it up and dry it. Try to do it inside so it saves also the colouring. But then it also makes it so much easier to press, as you can just see what I've done then. Anyway, have a great day and we'll talk to you soon.